Hey guys, G Paul here. In today's video, I am going to tell you about the Entry Institute who teaches entrepreneurs like us to achieve our goals in our life. So, if you are the right person who wants to grow a business and wants to become successful in life, this video is going to be really nice for you. So, what is Entry Institute? This is a school for internet entrepreneurs. It teaches their students to grow a business in the modern world. They provide the education, coaching, community software, and live events you need to attain your goals. Several courses are offered by Entry Institute on how to make money online. So you can choose anything you love to learn. And I think this type of training program is rare in the market, so I start to gather more information about the Entry Institute and its creator Jeff Lerner. So who is Jeff Lerner? Jeff Lerner is the co-founder and CVO, that means Chief Visionary Officer at Entry Institute. He has been nominated 3 times as INC 5000 founder. He made more than 100 multi-million plus online and started the fastest growing school in the world. But the story behind this was very different. A native to Houston, Texas, Jeff has spent most of his early years playing piano for billionaires. They were all wealthy business people, so Jeff wanted to become one as well. As age 29, following several failures, including a failed restaurant franchise when he got 400,000 in debt, he found his calling as an internet marketer and then paid off his debt in 18 months. After watching his videos, I got the impression that he is a good person who wants to help people. To know about his journey to becoming a millionaire, you can download his world-class ebook, The Millionaire Shortcut, from the link in the description below. So, what you will learn inside the Entry Institute training program? Students at Entry Institute learn about Entry's core principle and how to apply these truths to their personal and business life. As part of the program, students learn about affiliate marketing, e-commerce and digital marketing consultancy. Not only that, they teach how to use online business to achieve 3 types of excellence in your life. Number 1, professional excellence. Number 2, personal excellence. And number 3, physical excellence. So, what is the Entry Blueprint? It is a series of video training courses created by Jeff Lerner. On the Entry Blueprint site, they describe it as a 6-step video training course for creating wildly successful online businesses. So let's know the 6-step plan. Step number 1, the 3 P's of an awesome life. In this chapter, you will learn about the 3 P's, which are personal, professional and physical. Step 2, the 3 legs of successful action. Jeff explained the 3 legs of action tools must stand on, which are context or community, learning or knowledge, and belief or strategy. Step number 3, the 3 phases of building your legacy. The concept of leverage, growth and wealth are included in this module. Step number 4, affiliate marketing. It is very important and called the lazy marketer's business model. Jeff discusses affiliate marketing in this lesson and how it empowers you to live a better life. Step number 5, e-commerce. It has been said that high profit stores without brick and mortar headaches. The purpose of this chapter is to introduce you to e-commerce. Step number 6, digital consulting. Towards the end of this course, Jeff talks about how to set up a digital consultancy agency to generate passive income. In addition to this training course, you will also have to access your personal business advisor. During this training, you will be assigned to work with a one-on-one business consultant who will teach you how to create a custom business plan. And secondly, the awesome life challenge. This includes some routine tasks that help promote personal development. And finally, the Entry Nation community. Here you will get exclusive access to a private Facebook group where you can discuss with other students and coaches. So, how much Entry Blueprint cost? The original price of this blueprint is 39, but the good news is I have a link in the description that cost you only 7. So let's know what are the pros and cons of Entry Institute. So what I like in this course, I am already getting result through Entry Institute. You can see my result here, and this is the affiliate dashboard of Entry Institute, and I am getting these results here. So this is the number one things I like in this course and this training platform. Number 2, this is not a get rich quick scheme like other programs out there. They teach, number 3, they teach almost everything about online business as well as developing personal and physical fitness. Number 4, they provide personal business advisor to support you during the training. Number 5, they have the internet's premium awesome live community. Number 6, it has the courses of 3 most lucrative areas of online business world. Number 7, their coaching program makes better marketing decision and increase your profits. Number 8, successful entrepreneurs by Entry shared their experience through specific events. Number 9, the entry level cost to join their program is very low. And number 10, they have a decent money back guarantee to their courses. Now, what I dislike in this course, Entry Institute has some courses that are high priced, but it can be considered as things that are good, the price is little high. So who should join the Entry Institute? Entry Institute education is primarily designed for intermediate and beginners marketers who want to learn more about starting and expanding online businesses. They strive to ensure everyone can learn something. Entry Institute offers even more support to professionals in online marketing such as digital marketer, affiliates, social media experts, and e-commerce businesses owner. The Entry Institute is a program designed for marketers who hope to increase their earnings and develop their marketing skills. These courses are designed to help people earn more and grow more efficiently. So, is Entry Institute worth of buying? My straightforward answer is yes, because their training provides you with a lot of content and solid support for earning money. They will teach you how to get traffic and convert it so you can make a lot. You will also learn how to write sales copy and create sales funnels. So, what real users are saying about Entry Institute? Here you can see in the YouTube channel of Jeff Lerner, a lot of real people are giving their positive opinion about Entry Institute. Here this person says that I am looking forward to making my first sales. I love Entry and I am so happy that Jeff Lerner created it for anyone like myself to make better things happen in their life and in my life. Thank you, Jeff, for creating Entry. And here is another person saying that great video and it really defined what Entry is all about, taking the average person and molding them into the best version of themselves through entrepreneurial education learning. That's a great opinion. So definitely you understand how Entry Institute works for anyone. So no doubt people are benefiting from the Entry Institute educational program. So what is my opinion about Entry Institute? Entry Institute is not a scam and it's very legit. These days online learning is becoming a popular choice among students, but you need to keep an eye out for scam. Joining Entry Institute today can help you take advantage of the shift towards digitalization and online business development. It has an extensive and beautifully curated course structure that help you learn all the necessary skills to becoming a successful entrepreneur. A special advantage is that your learning experience is not just book and hours of reading. You also get live sessions, chat rooms, workshops and presentation to make the experience dynamic and engaging. So you can make a positive impact on the future of your online business by becoming a member of the Entry Institute. That's all guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, so like and share it. If you have any query about this video or Entry Institute, comment below. And to get notification of my next video, you have to subscribe to my channel and press the bell button. So stay focused this time. See you again.